Hi everyone and welcome. This is Umar from Tutorials Hub, and today we are about to be discussing Browse AI review, and this is going to be the updated 2024 method, and we're going to discuss, is it really worth it? So before we move on, you can book a call with us using the first link below if you're looking help with your marketing strategy, web design, or tech consultations. Do not hesitate to reach out to us. We will be more than happy to assist you guys. Okay, jumping straight onto the platform. Here, as you can see, the platform is basically, if you do not have an idea about Browse AI, it is basically a data scraping and data extractor related browser tool, or you can say like website, so you can grasp data from different sites, platforms, and softwares, and that is going to be serving you as uh, your own needs. So if you need some analysis and database, you can simply do that using the platforms. You can see this is the easiest way to extract and monitor data from any website, and could be handy if a website contains the data that you require. So yeah, now jumping onto the platform, you can see if you scroll down, we have this robot here, and it is going to be offering different type of services. Now if you ask what type of services, the first one is going to be data extraction. So you can extract specific data from any website in form of a spreadsheet file that fills itself, and like for example, you have XLS file, you have your CSV files and Microsoft Excel files. All those could be extracted from the sites. Like for example, if a site contains some data related to different people, their numbers, maybe their interests, hobbies, their schedules, or anything like that, it could be extracted easily. Then you have your monitoring, and that is going to be extracting data on schedule and get notified on changes. Then you have pre-built robots or bots. So those are going to be assisting you to browse pre-built robots for popular use cases and start using them right away. So that is something really great if you are willing to hop onto something like uh, data analysis. And below we have Google Sheets to export our data and use later on. Then we have our CSV, Zapier for automation, APIs. All of this is going to be serving for the automation purposes and make your data more worth it. So far so good. Let's just scroll a bit down. You will be able to realize that why basically people are going to be using it. So if you're confused about the use cases and you want to know that why people are using the platform, then we have a few use cases, like for example, scraping structured data with no code. You can run 50,000 robots at once, extract data on a specific schedule, handle pagination, and much more. You can see you also have solve captcha. So if that is a problem for you guys, you can use Browse AI as well. So yeah, we have different companies teamed up with Browse AI, so that is good news, and a lot of different integrations, and you can say like reviews about the platform on G2 and Trustpilot. So the website is totally authentic, and feel free to actually use it. Now if I discuss about it, some of the um, resources maybe, or you can say like use cases. So let's just head over to popular use cases. You can see that we can turn websites into APIs, monitor price monitoring, and we have few really important for the marketing personnel who are trying to sell their products and market them. We have lead generation, extract contact information from business directories to generate a list of potential leads for sales and marketing purposes. So that is going to be something really good if you are looking to simply get some leads and numbers and contacts of related people. Then you can easily do that as well. Below you can see that we have job posting and monitoring. We have various other use cases as well. Now let's just jump right onto the pricing and plans and whether it is going to be worth it for you or not. So they do actually have a free plan, as you can see in here, and that could be accessed using the get started for free option on the top right. As you can see, they have a starter, professional, team, and then finally we have a custom plan. So if you're looking to get started, you can go with the free one, and you can see it offers data retention up to 15 days, max task execution time 12 minutes, monitoring frequency 1 day, and we have a lot more integrations, and we have a few options in support, but of course it is going to be free, so it is better to have than nothing. So yeah, this is something for the pricing point of view, and if you want to increase your credits per year, you can do that as well, depending upon the requirement of your personal or company use. So yeah, actually, if you are really into data extraction and generating leads without jumping onto hundreds of platforms, then this is going to be the final stop for you guys. Actually, do check it out, and if you are willing to log in, you can head over to the top right side, and then you need to enter your details. So finally, we need to enter in here our email address and password. Let's just quickly do that. I'm going to put in here my email address, then I'm going to put my password and click on sign up. Just wait for a couple of seconds. Alright, so here, as you can see right now, we are inside onto our platform, and it is now showing us a welcome screen. We need to enter our first name. Let's just quickly do that. After that, we can enter our last name, then we can select our location and select your occupation. So from here, let's just say I'm engineering. And how did you hear about Browse AI? Let's just say from YouTube or stuff like that. Click on agree and get started. You just need to wait a couple of moments until it is gonna set up your entire structure. So let's just say I want to extract structured data. So now in here we are currently onto our dashboard, as you can see, and we need to input our site in here for training our robot. So let's just take any sample site, and if I head over to any website related to e-commerce, so I'm gonna be simply taking some leads from there. So all you need to do is copy the link. Alright, so I have this site going on that I maybe will able to track. So I'm gonna copy its link and paste it in here, and then I'm gonna start training my robot. And let's just say, you can see we have two options: use Robot Studio or use Chrome extension to train your robot. So that is going to be even more helpful. You can simply head over to your site directly and easily get your job done using the extension. So you can see it is now connecting to the server and performing its job. So yeah, you can see, just give it a moment. So it's all about waiting, since it is trying to extract some data. And yeah, so now it is onto the platform, and you can capture your text, capture screenshots and everything from the platform. It is now loaded up. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, guys, and I hope this makes sense to you, and make sure to subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more, and you can head over to the link in the description for any type of help related to your marketing strategy, web design and tech consultations.